joining me and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'd love to show you how I created these two storage containers. These came out absolutely beautiful and you could use them for anything really. They were quick and easy to make, very simple to use. I just used a few items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, the flea market, and Amazon. You can use them for storing your Q-tips, your cotton balls. You can keep your lipsticks in the smaller one. You can use this as a candy jar, a cookie jar. And guys, if you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please take the opportunity and do so. And don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to see how I created these two storage containers, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with this glass that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This is a short stem drinking glass. And I'm going to use two prep balls. So I'm going to hot glue these gems to the perimeter of the prep ball. And guys, if you want to recreate any project that you've seen me create here on this channel, and you want your project to remain permanent, please use any permanent adhesive such as E6000, or you could use Gorilla bonding glue that will keep your project from coming apart. I'm using hot glue today in this video just for demonstration purposes. So now I'm going to apply those round gems to the stem of the drinking glass. I love the way that looks, guys. It looks so nice. So right here is something interesting that I'm going to show you. I'm going to apply a very thin amount of hot glue along the edge of this drinking glass. That way, after the top is created and it's being used, the top won't slide around. It'll sit firmly and snug against the glass. And look how pretty that is. It looks like an apothecary jar. It looks so cute. So right here, guys, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my silver Sharpie marker pen. This color is called metallic silver. And I'm just going to remove the black line from behind the diamond rag. And I show you this, guys, in a lot of videos. It's very helpful, especially when you're working with glass. You don't want those black lines to be seen through your glass work. So right now, I'm just going to hot glue a 4-row strip along the neck of the vase. Now I'm going to take this brooch that I picked up from a flea market. This brooch cost me $1, and I'm going to remove the pin from the back. After I've done that, I'm going to hot glue the brooch on top of the diamond rack. Now guys, I'm showing you that same method where I'm applying a tiny amount of glue to the edge of the bowl, which will be the top. That way the dish will not slide around against the vase. It'll fit firmly and snugly against the vase. So I'm just hot gluing a crystal door pull. I'm going to hot glue that to the top. Again, if you want your project to be permanent, just use permanent adhesive. Look how beautiful this is. This is absolutely stunning. I love the way these storage containers came out. And guys, you could use them for anything. You could use them to hold makeup. You can use them to hold your Q-tips or your cotton rounds, your cotton balls. You can use it as a cookie jar, or you can use it as a candy jar. I absolutely love the way this project came out. It's very simple, it's elegant, it's easy to make, and it didn't cost a lot. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd be very happy to hear from you. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.